In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make TradingView full screen using our comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, maximizing your screen real estate can significantly enhance your analytical capabilities. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to your TradingView dashboard. Now, if you're already familiar with TradingView, you'll know this is where all the action happens, from analyzing market trends to setting up your trading strategies. For those who are newer to it, consider the dashboard your mission control, giving you immediate access to all your charts and tools. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website, then log in with your credentials if prompted. This will take you to the dashboard where you can see your existing charts or create new ones. Take a moment to scan your interface. Get comfortable with it, as knowing your way around here can really benefit you in the long run. Once you're in the dashboard, the next step is to locate the full screen mode button. It's designed to maximize your chart area by removing all the navigational elements and side panels that may distract you while analyzing the data. This can be especially useful when you're digging deep into the trends or when you have multiple screens to manage your work. Look at the bar above your chart. There should be a button or a symbol that looks like a square or an opposite-facing arrows icon. Clicking this will expand your chart to occupy your full screen, giving you an unobstructed view of the data. If you're having trouble finding it, wave your cursor near the edges of the chart to reveal the control icons. The full screen button should be among them. Being in full screen mode could truly transform how you interact with TradingView. It helps you focus completely on your charts without any interruptions. Don't worry if you're missing other controls like toolbars or indicators. You can exit full screen mode to make any adjustments. Simply hover your mouse at the top of your screen where a small exit full screen button usually appears. Clicking it brings back all the elements of your dashboard just as you left them. There you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now enjoy a distraction-free, full-screen experience for your TradingView charts. The enhanced visibility is perfect for deep dives into market analytics or when you're trying to spot trends at a glance. Happy trading, and may your charts always be fruitful. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials